Nestled in Southeast Asia, Vietnam is a country of breathtaking landscapes, rich history, vibrant culture, and warm-hearted people. From the emerald rice terraces of Sapa to the bustling streets of Hanoi, the stunning natural wonders of Ha Long Bay to the ancient allure of Hoi An, Vietnam offers an array of unforgettable experiences for travelers. In this video, we will delve into the top 5 best places to visit in Vietnam, each offering a unique blend of history, nature, and adventure. So before we continue, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. 1. Ha Long Bay, a natural wonder. Ha Long Bay, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a spectacular seascape located in the Gulf of Tonkin in northeastern Vietnam. Renowned for its limestone karsts jutting out of emerald waters, Ha Long Bay offers an ethereal experience that captivates the senses. With over 1,600 islands and islets dotting the bay, visitors can explore its beauty by boat cruises, kayaking, or even spending a night on a traditional junk boat. While cruising through the bay, travelers will encounter towering limestone pillars, hidden grottos, and breathtaking caves such as the Thien Cung Cave, Heavenly Palace Cave. The bay is also home to a diverse marine ecosystem, making it a great place for snorkeling and scuba diving. The tranquility of Ha Long Bay, coupled with its mesmerizing landscape, makes it an absolute must-visit destination in Vietnam. 2. Hoi An, a timeless ancient town. In the heart of central Vietnam, the ancient town of Hoi An effortlessly transports visitors back in time. Known for its well-preserved architecture, Hoi An is a living museum, reflecting its unique blend of indigenous and foreign influences. The Old Town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is primarily a pedestrian zone, allowing travelers to explore its narrow streets, Chinese temples, Japanese bridges, and French colonial buildings on foot or by bicycle. The town comes alive in the evenings when lanterns illuminate the streets, creating a magical atmosphere. It is also famous for its tailor shops, where skilled artisans craft custom-made clothing using traditional methods. Exploring Hoi An's rich history, savoring its delicious local cuisine, and engaging with its warm-hearted locals make it a remarkable and unforgettable destination. 3. Hanoi, the timeless capital. The charming capital city of Vietnam, Hanoi, offers a unique blend of ancient heritage and modern development. Steeped in history, Hanoi is a city that embraces its traditional roots while embracing the modern world. The Old Quarter is a maze of bustling streets, each specializing in a particular trade or craft, presenting an exciting experience for travelers to discover. Hanoi is home to numerous historical landmarks, including the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, the Temple of Literature, and the Imperial Citadel of Thang Long. For a more contemporary experience, visitors can explore the vibrant art scene, sample local delicacies at the bustling food markets, or witness a traditional water puppet show. Hanoi's ability to preserve its cultural heritage while embracing the 21st century makes it a must-visit destination in Vietnam. 4. Sapa, a majestic mountain escape. Nestled in the Hoang Lien Sun Mountains of northwest Vietnam, Sapa is a picturesque mountain town renowned for its stunning rice terraces, ethnic minority communities, and breathtaking landscapes. The terraced fields change colors with the seasons, offering an awe-inspiring sight, especially during the planting and harvesting periods. Travelers can embark on hiking adventures through lush valleys, visit remote villages of ethnic minority groups like the Hmong, Dao, and Tay, and immerse themselves in the local culture. Don't miss the opportunity to visit the vibrant Sapa market, where indigenous communities gather to trade their unique handicrafts and produce. 5. Hue, a regal journey into Vietnam's past. Located along the banks of the Perfume River, Hue served as the imperial capital of Vietnam during the Nguyen dynasty. This historical city is steeped in grandeur and has preserved its royal heritage, evident through its ancient citadel, majestic palaces, and ornate tombs of emperors. The Imperial Citadel of Hue, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offers a glimpse into Vietnam's regal past and is a treasure trove of historical architecture and artifacts. The city's charm lies in its poetic landscape, with the Perfume River flowing through it, surrounded by picturesque gardens and pagodas. Vietnam's unique blend of natural wonders, ancient heritage, and warm hospitality make it a compelling destination for travelers seeking diverse and enriching experiences. From the magical seascape of Ha Long Bay to the ancient charm of Hoi An, the timeless capital of Hanoi, the mountainous escape of Sapa, and the regal history of Hue. These top 5 best places to visit in Vietnam are sure to leave an indelible mark on the hearts of those who explore them. Embark on this journey, immerse yourself in the country's rich culture, and create unforgettable memories in the captivating land of Vietnam. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.